Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's consider what is going on the gold market this day. So actually the market keeps the positive mood, and as we said yesterday, once the high wave pattern has been broken up, we said we need to keep an eye on this price behavior. So if market will stand above the top of the high wave, showing the consolidation without deep reversal and return back inside of this range, that will be a good sign with the chances of an upward continuation. The more valuable reasons for upward continuation we have on the weekly chart. As we have said in the weekly report, we have two XOPs on the weekly chart. One of them already has been hit. Another one, the major XOP on the weekly, that stands slightly above the monthly target, has not been reached yet, and market could tend to particular this target. So here was reaction on daily overbought. Market shows retracement. Now it stands not at overbought and has the room to continue move higher. And another moment, as I said, it's very good that market stands above the top of the high wave pattern. So top has been broken, retested, and now market stands above it. So this is a good sign. On the 4-hour time frame chart, our grabber that we have mentioned yesterday has done well, and market has erased the bearish setup, the potential bearish setup that exists on the hourly chart. If you remember, yesterday we talked also about the minor butterfly pattern that could be formed and deep retracement could be completed. But once market has erased the butterfly, yesterday we talked about it in detail. Now it's showing upward action. So pretty nice upward continuation, flat standing here. Here's unfortunately, guys, we haven't got the grabber. So it was very close. By the price action, it's also looks like the grabber, but here market has closed below the MACD line, so here we would not have another one. But anyway, in the 4-hour time frame chart, our major pattern is the butterfly, of course. And the reason why we think that market could continue move higher to the 1618 target, as we explained yesterday, stands in the price behavior on the final part of the butterfly. So when you see on the markets that market shows acceleration, as you can see, fast acceleration, or a gap, or both together, the acceleration and gap, right at the point of the target. So you can see market shows acceleration, gap up, hits the target. This sign of possible further continuation to the 1618 extension. So any accelerations, gaps in direction of the target in the final part of the butterfly suggest that market will proceed high to the 1618 extension, or at least significantly increase the chances for that. And indeed, take a look. Once the target has been hit, market just close the gap, limit the retracement by the bottom of this gap, and turns up again. So in general, overall performance here looks positive. On the hourly chart right now, take a look what has happened. Despite that this action was relatively fast, and yesterday we discussed also the potential butterfly here, so maybe market will continue retracement to the 618 support. Take a look what has happened. Market moves above it, taken out of this top, and that was our first signal level. We said yesterday that if market will taken out of this top, bearish setup will be vanished, and market will continue move higher. So that was the point for possible taking the position here. If you're using the stop entry order, or just this was the signal that market keeps the bullish sentiment. But then another important moment has happened. So market also taken out of this stop as well. And what does it mean? It means that this initial A, B, C top pattern has been erased. So market is taken out of the C point. So market here is completed OP, but no action to the XOP will possible anymore, just because of the erasing of this A, B, C pattern. Now we consider in general upward continuation. Another butterfly here could be formed. But the minor detail here is that it could be either right from this point, this market could show the acceleration right up, or maybe, as here this was really fast retracement, we do not exclude the chance that market could form A, B, C, D retracement. First, kind of the guideless triple to buy could be formed, and then market could continue move higher. So two possible ways of the price behavior exist. So this is minor detail, but maybe if you're searching chance to go long, you could either split position or wait when the market will complete this ABCD. So that's just possible. Do not scare with that. This is possible, but it will not change the overall our view on the situation. Besides, you can see gold market right now standing higher, so trying to continue move right from here. Of course, if market will take it out of this top and starts acceleration further, that pattern will not be able anymore. So this scenario is valid only until market stands below this top. Finally, on the gold market, why I also think that gold market should show some upward action is just because of the monthly chart of the gold in euro. So if you remember, I have shown you this chart in last week. So it's the reason why I think that market is standing higher, and it could be much higher. Of course, here we have two components of the success. So it could be either by the gold market directly or due to the weakness on the euro. Because if euro will start dropping, gold and euro will show an acceleration. Take a look at this ABCD. This is, guys, by the way, monthly chart. So this really big picture. Take a look at the fast acceleration on the gold right on the monthly chart. CD leg much faster. What does it mean? It means that when market takes now to the OP target, it will continue to the XOP a bit later. So chance on reaching of the XOP also exists on the gold. And here market is coming to the target, but it's not yet here. So the target stands approximately in 14 even. So it's more approximately 10 euros to the target. This is first moment. Second, market stands close to the top. As soon as the stops will be triggered, market could show the acceleration a bit more. So that suggests that on the gold market, either euro should drop significantly today, or here we probably should get some upward action in the gold market today directly. So this component is also looks bullish, and let's keep watching. So currently we have the positive view on the gold.